child, baby.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Okay, you have been seeing the audio visual. I'll not take much time. Go get into straight for two products which we are launching here in terms of innovation. One is 360-degree cup, and the other is the dynamic teat for milk bottles. Now, these are absolutely breakthrough in feeding, and I'll explain how it works. I'm skipping through all these, images of factory and process because you had already looked at. We make lots of hosts of products. These all are made in Europe, and we do lots of research with medical people to find out how a child grows up and what happens while he or she is, sucking, breathing. So we do lots of research in terms of speech therapy. So we're talking about this bottle, and we are talking about the teeth here. You can look at this teeth here. We did a medical research on suckling. Suckling is the first innate instinct of a baby. When a baby is born, baby starts breathing, and then the first thing what a baby learns is to suck, because that's the rhythm that what the baby learns. So we did a lot of research in suckling. You can see that how many research work we did in this. What we are saying is that unique Lovey solution for suckling reflex protection. What happens is that when a baby is sucking, they are sucking here, and this tip of the teeth moves inside as if they are interacting with a human being, with the baby's mother. And that's very important because when a baby is sucking something which is surrogate, their breathing pattern, breathing and sucking has to be in a rhythm. And there is a particular rhythm how the God makes it. And if you keep it that way, there is no colic, there is their development is better. So that's what we did with this particular teeth. It's absolutely breakthrough in feeding. We got lots of awards for this in different parts of the world. And this is one product, and this is the other product which we are launching here, which is another unique product, which is the 360 cup. You can look at there. And this 360 cup is that when the baby is growing and the baby looks at parents and uncles, and they see that everybody is drinking from glass. So they want to imitate that, and while you give a glass of milk or water, they drink and they spill everywhere because they don't know. So there is a phase of baby when they first learn sucking. So sucking is instinctively. Then they have to learn sipping. So from sucking to sipping, this transition is done by this innovative cup. They can really learn how to sip without messing it up. And that's the best way to learn independent drinking. There is another thing is that when you give, they can't drink the whole thing. You give so much of milk, but they can't drink it in one go. So they keep it for half an hour, 1 hour, depending on child, how they behave, right? So we have put a technology here, is that when you keep a juice or a milk, there is a possibility, depending on what temperature you are in which state you are in, that there is a possibility of having bacteria growth. So we have a technology here in which it stops bacteria growth from 99.9%. And this is tested and certified, and it's an independent lab which is tested, and there is an English company which works on this called Steady Touch. It's a microbiological product, and that's how it stops the antibacterial thing. So these are the two products which we have design team. There are many other products. So this is what I was talking about. You see, it reduces the bacteria 99%. And this is the company Steady Touch, which is an independent company which has been certified by European Union to give this certification. And it's simple, it works, it doesn't see, there is a water inside, it doesn't come out like that. So basically these are the two products which we wanted to launch and to show. If you have any questions, because we have many other products, if you have, you can come to our booth.
Myself Aman Jain, I'm from Vapi. Myself Aman Jain, I'm from Vapi, and we have two stores in Vapi. One is for the newborn specially, and one is for the toys. And we are in this field around from 7 to 8 years, and we reside in Vapi only. Okay,
Would you like to share your experience on winning this tag?
I'm pretty. It's like a lifetime opportunity for me, and it's pretty cool having this. Just getting a gift like, I mean, it's a dream come true, I guess. Getting such a surprise, visiting just and the atmosphere is superb. It's like I don't have words. I'm sorry.
Okay, how did you find the show? And the mix of exhibitors out here, how did you find the entire show?
It's superb. It's the entry, the exit, the setting, setup, the stalls. Everything is superb. The cleanliness, the tidiness, the visitors, the support you are providing with everyone, guiding everyone how to visit, where to visit. Everything is superb.
And the one word that comes to your mind when you think of CBME?
Actually, I am the first time I'm visiting
No, what
this.
is that one word when you think of CBME?
Marvelous, superb.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Hi, I'm Anirban from Bumberry. I'm with my team over here. I'm one of the co-founders for Bumberry. We are a startup of 5 people actually. So 4 of us are here, and this is our first time with CBME. We had thought of coming over last year, but were not able to. To start off with, CBME worked great for us. We actually cracked Mahindra Mom and Me yesterday at the first day of CBME. Hi.
Great. Starting with, would you like to comment on the child baby product industry? How is it shaping up in the market?
See, we actually have get around 2 million child a month. Every month, 2 million child get added to the Indian population. So I don't see it going anywhere but up.
Yeah. Okay. So how is CBME playing a role in this particular industry according to you?
See, this is a platform for a guy like 5 guys from different part of India coming in and able to crack Mahindra Mom and Me is the testament to what CBME does.
Right. Okay. So we've come up with a innovative product corner and the launch pad. So this is kind of a new initiative that UBM has taken. So what is your take on that?
We had a first session yesterday at Launchpad, and post that we were around 1 o'clock. Post that we were not able to have lunch till 5:30. So I think it worked great for us.
Great. Okay. And the last thing is one word that comes to your mind when you think of CBME India.
It's what you call democratization of platform. Everybody can come in and reach out to the customers who would have never been able to.
Okay. So I'm sure you had a successful 2 days till now.
Yeah, 1.5 days. There's still
Yeah,
half
yeah.
of the day left, and we expect more.
Okay. Great. Thanks for
Pleasure.
your feedback.
My name is Satish Singh. I am from Chemco Plastic. Basically, we are into PET and also we are doing the baby care products. In that, we are manufacturing polycarbonate, polypropylene, BPA-free bottles.
According to you, how does child baby product industry? I mean, what do you look at? How is it shaping up?
See, as per the statistics we are having, this is going in a growth of 30 to 35% every year. So it's a big potential market in India as well as in the Gulf and the African sector. So we are optimistic about the future of this product. See, we are participating from last 3 years, and we can see the participants are going up, and some good inquiries are also getting. So it's a good platform for introducing a new product, we can say, and we are also looking forward for the future participant. Yeah,
So we have come up with the innovative product zone and the product launch pad.
yeah.
So what is your take on that?
Uh,
Basically, you've not gone through. Okay, no problem. How did you find the mix of visitors that have been coming to the stall? Did it turn around into quality business?
Yeah, as far our product is concerned, we can see a lot of foreign customers are also there. From India, a lot of customers are coming for the distributorship. So definitely, it's a mix of all types of customers, internationally as well as domestic. We are getting customer from North India, South India, as well as from the western parts. So it's a mix of all types of customers.
Lastly, one word that comes to your mind when you think of CBME India.
Yeah.
What is that one word which comes to your mind when you think of CBME India?
It's a well organized exhibition. We can say we are participating in lot types of exhibition, but this is well organized, and it's good for at least baby care products.
Thank you for your time.
ओके मनीष मानदने कल्याण नीता नॉवेल्टी अच्छा अरेंज किया हुआ है प्रोडक्ट सब अच्छे डिस्प्ले है देखने में भी ज़रा अच्छा इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट हुआ दो चार नए प्रोडक्ट्स भी देखने को मिले हर जगह पे और मैनेज भी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से किया हुआ है हम लोग कल्याण से आए जैसे ये आए हुए हैं कल्याण से ये मुंबई से आए हुए हैं अच्छी तरह से मैनेज हुआ सर खुश हुई टाइम वेस्ट नहीं हुआ इधर आके कुछ अच्छा देखने को मिला थैंक यू
Okay, I am Vasundhara Pandey from Bangalore. I do Tripti Baby Care. I've been doing this for the past 30 years.
What is your take on the child baby product industry as a whole?
No, we are not taking anything. We take care of the babies in a crèche.
Okay.
So for them, we require certain products. So I want to introduce it in a new way. We used to have the old style. So now I want to introduce in a new way. So I'm just looking at the products, how they will help me improve the hygiene of the baby.
How did you find this exhibition and how helpful is it?
I got the call from Rakesh and he went on telling me again and again, and Tanisha Roy was the main lady who put me into this. So I said I'll visit, and I've come specially to visit from Bangalore for Tripti Coaching Center and Tripti Baby Care and Tripti Nursery. I do all of them from 3 months onwards till any level, no age bar.
Okay. So you are happy with the products that are available here in the exhibition. Is it successful enough for you to travel all the way from Bangalore to Mumbai?
Yeah, I'm seeing something very new, and some of them which I have already seen are also exhibited in a little bit sophisticated manner. Yeah.
So I can say that you are happy visiting this exhibition, right?
Sure.
Okay. How would you rate us on a scale of 1 to 10?
Somewhere from 8 to 10.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time and feedback.
Yeah.
I am Neil Biswas from Lavi. I am the Marketing Director, Southeast Asia. We are looking at launching in India in this year, 2015, and we're very excited. And CBME has given us a good platform in which we are able to meet our prospective distributors and importers. So it's been an exciting last 2 days.
Would you like to comment on the child baby product industry? How is it shaping up?
Child baby care for last 3 years has been increasing many folds, and what we have seen from outside India is that the retail is also getting organized in this category. There is a lot of online platforms are coming up as well. So it's a very interesting situation or time right now in terms of this particular category of baby product and baby accessories. Yeah.
And according to you, how is CBME playing a role in this industry?
CBME is a good platform because we have been in Shanghai in CBME in 2014 in July. We will be actually there in Singapore from 15th to 18th in CBME. In India, we didn't have any good organized platform where we can meet, the distributors or so. For the first time, for us, it's a good platform. But subsequently, maybe it's a good platform to meet the distributors whom we have appointed and call them up and have a sales conference here. So I think it's a good platform.
We've come up. Would you like to comment on the initiative that UVM has taken?
I think that's a good idea because you have to keep promoting innovation in the whole category, and so to have that corner. But I think what you can do is that while having that corner, you should have some kind of competition in terms of giving an award or something that best innovative product, or best features, so that there's a kind of a competition and more buzz across the brands and across other companies. Yeah, so that can be just a, yeah.
Lastly,
Extremely proud to represent a brand that I am very proud to be a part of as well. That is Mr. Nihal Mehta, founder and director, House of Napias, and Ms. Alka Mistry, founder and co-director of House of Napias. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. My name is Alka Mistry, co-founder, director, House of Napias. House of Napias is a first of its kind brand which creates any electromagnetic radiation safe maternity wear. Launching its first line, the collection is where fashion meets technology to keep up with your ever-changing modern lifestyle while guaranteeing protection for your newborn baby. These garments are made from specially created yarn which absorbs and converts harmful radiation emitted from cell phone towers, FM towers, cell phones, Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, laptops, microwaves, etc. into heat energy and dissipates into environment, hence protecting the womb from the ill effects of radiation. The new range of maternity wear, which includes office wear, daily and night wear, cocktail dresses, etc., will allow every mother to be stylish yet safe. Each garment is designed to not only protect the child but provide unparalleled comfort and ease of use for the pregnant mother. House of Napias maternity wear is available in a multitude of colors and patterns and will keep your child protected those precious 9 months. Just as a mother understands what a child does not say, at House of Napias we understand what a mother fears and does not share. To emphasize more and to be clear about what I'm talking, there's a small AV to be presented. Please have a look.
And nurturing is of utmost importance.